In this video, I want to go over the sum and difference of cubes. It's two different patterns that are fairly useful. They come up from time to time in particular problems, and it's nice to just, if you see it, you can factor it easily. Okay? So the two patterns are, the sum is if I have a cubed plus b cubed, it factors out to be a plus b times b squared minus ab plus b squared. And the difference is just some sign changes here. So a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times b squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, it's pretty easy to confuse which one is which, the sum and the difference, because the sum even has subtraction symbols in it. So there's a mnemonic device that helps us with the addition and subtraction symbols, okay? So if you notice, in the factored form, there are three different either plus or minus signs. And how to remember for both of them is the first one is, so say you have a cubed plus b cubed. So the sign here is a plus. So if we look at our mnemonic device SOAP, the first sign is going to be the same. The second sign is going to be the opposite, right? Subtraction is opposite of addition, so that's going to be the opposite sign. And the last sign, on both of these is always positive. Okay, so it's a nice way to remember this this pattern here is SOAP. Okay, on to the first example. We have x cubed minus 64. So if you happen to see this, okay, and you happen to know that 64 is a perfect square, it's 4 cubed, then you can do this problem, right? So if you happen to realize that it's actually this, right? Which that's the hardest part, to know that 64 is a perfect square. Or a perfect cube, sorry. Sorry if I've been saying perfect square. Then you can go with this pattern, okay? So this is our subtraction pattern here. So this is going to be equivalent to a minus 4 times a squared plus 4x plus 16. Okay. Or if you remember, the last term is b squared, the first one is a squared, and the middle is just the two being multiplied together. So this is 4 squared, this is 4 squared, this is x squared, and this is x times 4. Okay? It follows along with our SOAP. Same, opposite, and always positive. Now on to the next example. This is, that's the wrong example. The example I want to use is 125x cubed plus 8. Okay. So this is a sum of cubes, right? I have 125, which is 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. You should know that one. And you should know this one too, actually. So this is 5x cubed plus, well, that's just 2 cubed. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So that's 2 cubed. Okay, so let's follow the pattern. So the first thing we're going to have is just 5x plus 2. Okay, same. Then we're going to have a squared, so that's 25x squared. Then we're going to multiply these two guys together, so that's going to give us 10x. And then we're going to square our 2. So plus 2. And that is our answer.